Look at the color on that concentrate.
Skimmers.
Monitor platform to all units, maintain flow rate on level 4.
Copy, keeping speed steady.
Sample 4B shows significant mineralization.
The LiDAR confirms the depth. Let's tag it for assay.
Charge 7 engaging now.
Confirmed, depth gauge reading 30 meters.
Clear the platform, stand by for initiation signal.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Blast sequence initiated.
Confirmed detonation. The zone is secure.
Tons. Ready for departure.
These enormous haul trucks carry over 200 tons of lithium ore up the steep, spiral roads, a critical step in the battery supply chain.
These massive thickener tanks are crucial for dewatering the slurry, separating the lithium-rich solids from the process water.
Set target weight on Bay 1.
Copy that. Signaling the next driver to reverse into Bay 2.
Load secure, manifest matches.
All right, let them through.
Crusher load approaching 70%.
Acknowledged. Increasing conveyor speed by 5 meters per second.
A little lower on your side, watch the clearance. Holding steady. We're ready for the torque sequence over here.
The readings on the handheld confirm the sensor data.
We're showing green across the board.
All right, let's check the crusher area next.
All right, team, look at the digital board. The schedule for the north pit has shifted. Watch the haul road near Crusher 4. We have a new hazard alert for unstable ground.
Alpha team, confirm load secure for transit.
The journey begins here, transforming raw ore into the building blocks of a cleaner, renewable...
All green on the primary checks, moving to hydraulics now.
Confirmed. The pressure readings look stable on the tablet.
Platform to ground, truck 42 is loaded. Clear the path for the next unit.
Control to heavy hull 1, row 3 is clear.
Roger that, proceeding to crusher.
Once blasted, the lithium ore is transferred by massive trucks into these hoppers, the first step in creating powerful batteries.
Roller temperature on line 4 is stable.
Noted. The throughput looks good from here.
Adjusting the feed rate now.
The load is stabilizing. Looks good.
The separation looks optimal at this frequency.
Agreed. The flow consistency is steady on the lower decks. The flotation reagents are precisely managed here, ensuring maximum lithium recovery downstream. Temperature holding steady at 85. Vibration levels are nominal. Gears look good. Slurry density looks consistent. (50) Thickener feed distribution system.
Check the flow rate on press 3.
Looks good. Cycles are synchronized.
Moisture levels look good on this batch. Agreed. Thickness is right where we want it.
Temperature on gauge 4 is reading high.
Confirmed. Logging the spike now.
Adjusting the airflow.
The automated system meticulously collects a representative sample, ensuring the highest quality control for the final lithium product.
Spectrometer readings are within tolerance.
Verified. Good to go.
These automated carts ensure the precise delivery of lithium concentrate, a critical step in the energy storage process.
Watch your spacing on the right. Looks good. All clear.
All right, bringing it down slow on track 2.
Looks good from here. Clear to set.
Lowering to stack 4, bay 2. Confirm alignment.
Solid copy. Bay 2 aligned. Set it down.
How are those tensioners looking?
Secure on this row, team lead.
Forward locks checked and logged. We are good to go.
We have visual confirmation on the codes. Cranes are clear to proceed.
We have the clear on rail line 2.
Acknowledged. Lowering the lithium containers now.
Inside the high-temperature lithium refining hall, massive rotary kilns process the ore. This
Here at the heart of the facility, precision sieving systems classify the lithium powder by micron size.
Sensor reading is stable at 22 meters.
Noted. We can continue the sweep.
The current batch weight is fluctuating slightly.
It's within the acceptable margin, but let's monitor the feed rate.
Ensure the shrink wrap is secure on that pallet before moving it.
Copy that, Supervisor. Proceeding to Zone 3.
Keep coming straight. Stop right there.
All right, set your air brakes now.
Here in the blending hall, lithium powder is precisely combined with cathode materials, the critical first step in battery production.
Look at this reading here on the monitor. It's within tolerance, but keep an eye on the temperature in reactor 3.
Oven zone 3 holding steady at 150 degrees.
Confirmed. Sheet tension looks optimal.
The structural aluminum frames are designed for maximum rigidity, ensuring the integrity of the lithium modules within.
Check the torque on station 4. Looks good, all green.
The integrated cooling system installation relies on both precision robotics and skilled technicians to ensure the lithium battery packs perform optimally.
Pressure holding steady at 1500 psi.
Confirmed. No leakage detected.
Test complete. Preparing to depressurize.
Voltage and capacity are nominal.
Thermal response is stable. We can push this one to the next stage.
Scan complete on Unit 4.
Data confirms pass. Logging approval now.
Bay 4, clear to load.
Copy that. Setting the pallet now. Secure the area.
Easy now, lower it slowly.
Almost there, watching the clearance on the left.
All units, operations resuming on level 3.
Haul truck approaching the loader now.